Hi friends, Alec from Alex Crafts here, and I just wanted to really quickly show you some fun coloring books that I got in the mail. These are from Leisure Arts, and they sent me this nice big stack of coloring books to kind of review and share with you. And I just thought I would show you some of my favorite things about these. I think that these books would make excellent Christmas gifts or stocking stuffers or things like that for anyone that's kind of creative in your life, or people that like to color, or kids, adults, all those. I know the coloring book craze has kind of been going on for the past couple of years, but I think this is a really good answer to just some of those that need for a lot of different coloring books. So I'm going to go through what I got and show you a little bit of inside of each of them, and then tell you what I really like about them. So this one's the Baby It's Cold Outside coloring book. This, I really like about this that it's not just Christmas. It's very much like a winter season. I think that is probably one of my very favorites. So this one is a nice little like pocket size. I think it's 6 by 9, I believe. And then this one, I got a couple of those. So we'll move that out of the way. So this one's the Love Grows. Lots of like succulents and plants. I love that there's not only patterns, but also actual, like pictures that you can color, and it's not just like a whole page of patterns. And you can see the opposite page is lines, so you can either journal, and there's some coloring bits on all of that. What I really love, I don't know if you can see, every page is perforated, and I love that you can tear these out really easily. And I also love that the design, like the main design, is not on each of the pages, because if I want to use something like my Copics or like my Tombow markers that might bleed, Copics definitely would, but the markers that might bleed, I don't have to worry about ruining the other side, and so I don't have to choose which design I like best. So that's how all of these books are, and I really like that. So this one's the Shine On coloring book. Just uplifting, love it. Oh my gosh, I love that color combo. Unicorns, crowns, suns, flowers, love that. So these are 6 by 9, and I believe these are $4.99 each, which is a nice, really good price point. Again, I think these would be perfect for stocking stuffers or small gifts for people. You could bundle that with, you know, Tombow markers or colored pencils, and I think that'd make a really great gift. So then these ones are a little bit bigger, slightly bigger than an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Let me see, just to give you an idea. So this is 8.5 by 11, it's almost exactly the same size. So the 8.5 by 11, again, it's one design per page, so the other side is blank, and then they are also all perforated, and I just love that. So this one's the Mom Fuel coloring book, and like Stress Blessed and Coffee Obsessed, Super Mom, Sports Mom. I just thought these were really fun. So Sleep is for the Weak, same. So that one's really cute. Then another kind of succulents, Cultivate Kindness. This is like positive, kind quotes, along with like birds and flowers, succulents, that kind of thing. I love the Seek Justice, Love Mercy, Walk Humbly. The boots, love the boots motif lately. And then this one is the Inspire Me, and again, perforated, really great designs, one design per page. I just love that they actually thought about how people color, and that they don't want things on opposite pages, and the ability, again, to tear it out. That's just, I love that. So these are the books that I got from Leisure Arts. I will put links to all of these in the description box below. I highly recommend you pick these up. I'm really excited to get coloring in them, and I can't wait to show you some projects that I'm making with them. So thanks so much for joining. Bye.